Hi everyone, I am Ajay Zadav and today's video topic is condition statement in Java. So today we will discuss about condition statement in Java. We can say that condition statement decision statement in Java. Condition statement are to use to decide to flow of execution, but it depends on the different condition. If condition 1 is true, so we can perform first action, and if condition are false, then we can perform another actions. Java has the following condition statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition is true. So his statement is less than or equal to, and third one is a greater than, fourth is a greater than or equal to, fifth is equal to, and sixth is a not equal to. Java have four types of condition statement. So first one is a if statement, second one is a else if statement, third one is a else statement, and fourth is a switch statement. So first is a if statement. If statement is useful when we have one condition to check it, and second one is else if statement. Else if statement useful to check two conditions. If else statement contains two block statement, the syntax of else if statement is if condition two block statement, if statements, else block statement if condition is true, then two block statement get execute and program terminate. If the condition false, then else block statement program terminated. When both the blocks contains more than one sentence, in that time necessary to write down it curly bracket. Third type is else statement. Use else to specify block or code to be executed if the same condition is false. And fourth statement is switch statement. The switch statement evaluated the value of one switch statement contains different case values. Switch value compare the expression value with the different case values, and if case value and switch value max, then the associate get executed. So today we will talk about four statement. First one is if statement, second one is else if statement, third is else statement, and fourth is a switch statement. Thank you.